If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Julibe from the Philippines. Currently, I'm living and working in the Kingdom of Bahrain. I'm on a journey to explore the world one adventure at a time while figuring out this roller coaster ride called Life in My 30s. In today's episode of my life, I'm giving you a closer look at my cozy and colorful home away from home for the next few days. We will take a quick tour of the hotel and then step outside to discover some of the must-visit spots, cafes, and vibrant local vibes within walking distance. Whether you're planning a trip to Berlin or just dreaming about one, stick around for some insider tips and inspiration for your stay. So, let's get started! As soon as you stepped in, you're greeted by a burst of creativity. The interiors are bright, colorful, and full of artistic vibes. Definitely a reflection of Berlin's vibrant culture. From the funky lounge area to the cozy yet chic rooms, everything here is designed with both comfort and style in mind. My room is compact but perfectly functional, with these cool pops of color that keep the energy high. And look at this view, perfect for unwinding after a day of exploring.
Time for shit when no one's hitting on my line. I've been waiting for this all day. Homie said that he gon' slide. I got a shawty and she right with me, but she working overtime, you see. I've been spending all day thinking about you and how we gon' make it out, baby, come through. I'ma keep it real and you know that. Sometimes I wanna feel, wanna go back.
And that's it for the episode 3 of our Berlin travel adventure. I hope you enjoyed exploring with me, and there's still so much more to discover in this incredible city. Stay tuned for the next episode. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the bell so you don't miss any of our latest Berlin travel adventures. See you in the next vlog!